today I'm going to show you how to fix your lemongrass plant. If it's looking brown and rusty like this, don't worry about it. We're going to make it grow lush and green again in no time. Let's get right to it. Okay, first things first, I want you all to wear protective gloves because the blades of these leaves are very sharp and I've actually cut myself a lot of times before. So this lemongrass plant is older than 2 years now. It has been growing in the same container.
I'm gonna go ahead and tip this plant over and just press on the sides to release the plant. At this point, it should be pretty easy to remove the plant from the container. You can now see the roots have taken over and there is no soil left in the container. So as you water the plant, the water is going to run through because there is no soil to hold the moisture. That's why all the leaves have turned brown. The idea is to now break open the roots because their growth has now stunted. We're just going to break the roots into 2 parts for us to add more soil into the container. Breaking your lemongrass roots in this fashion may seem very cruel and harsh, but doing so will stimulate the roots and encourage new growth.
This plant into 2 different plants. One cool trick is you can actually make as many plants of lemongrass as you want out of these stalks. I'm gonna just show you in a minute. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, that is plant is gonna be green again in almost next coming month. Mission accomplished. So now that you've divided this stalk into 2 halves, I want you to remove any dead leaves that you have right from the base, from the bottom of the stalk. While you're doing this, you're going to have a lot of dry mulch and all the green leaves that are broken apart, you can just use them. These are the lemongrass stalks. So each stalk that you pull out, try to actually get as many roots as you can. So this is the lemongrass stalk and these are the roots. So you can actually get a whole new plant out of this. Just stick it in a bottle and the roots are going to grow a little wider and then you can plant it
Step 1 is to divide your plant. Divide it into 2 or 3 parts. Step 2 is to remove any dead or dying leaves. Step 3 is to repot your plant into a container with rich organic soil. Step 4 is to fertilize every 2 weeks. Step 5 is to enjoy and harvest your lemongrass.
You can see the amount of dead leaves that we've removed are actually more than the green leaves. But you can chop them up, use them as mulch, or you can use them in your compost. So here I have 2 12-inch containers. I'm going to plant them in these. And I'm going to add in the soil mix to this, which is again a blend of cocopeat, perlite and compost. And it's sort of really dry right now. Water this with my adorable little can. And without making a mess, I'm just going to keep it aside. And make sure your soil is not so dry. Again, making sure to leave an inch of a gap so that the soil doesn't run out. Clear it off. And now this lemongrass is gonna again bush up and get really lush and green again. Just gonna water it a little bit more. Every time you transplant your lemongrass plant, make sure to add around 60% of organic matter. So again, in the soil mix I also have more compost mixed in, but I'm just adding some extra in here to make sure that it has enough to feed. As we know that lemongrass is a heavy feeder, you must fertilize it at least once every 2 weeks. I will use something like a seaweed liquid fertilizer. Fish emulsion is really nice. Since it's all these, you could just keep adding coffee grounds as well. Make sure there are no air gaps in there, just compact everything down. And make sure that all your roots are covered and nothing is exposed in the air. And I'm just going to finally go ahead and water this baby right up. Every time after transplanting, make sure you're very generous with the watering, because the roots have, after all, been through a lot of trauma that I put you through. I'm really sorry about that. But I'm pretty sure this plant is going to get right. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you next time with a brand new tutorial. And if you have any requests, is there anything else that you want to learn, just comment down below. And there is great love here for us. देखो काफी कोई भी काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता, हमें बहुत ही विनम्रता और आदर के साथ हर एक काम करना चाहिए. Did I get an A+ for Hindi just now? Yeah, I think it's a